Yo, it's Edsel again from Armed and Loaded. A few videos ago, maybe the latest video that we uploaded, we installed a roof crossbar into my Honda Crossroad, and today we're going to be installing a roof basket into that rack or the bracket. So for this one, we're going to be installing the let me see, the if I can get it for you. It's the let's see it. The CARGOLOC the CARGOLOC rooftop cargo basket. So the dimensions for this one is 50-inch. Okay, wait. What? I don't know. So for this one, it's 50-inch by 40-inch by 8-inch. So 50 would be the length, 40 would be the width, and 8-inch would be the depth. So that's right around like that, maybe. So the installation should be easy, but let's try to unbox it first. Let's go. This is what's inside the box. This is the roof basket itself, and these are the clamps. Let's try to open it. Aha! There's instruction manual. And we have the clamps. Nuts and bolts. I think these are the connectors, and I think these are the side handles. You see that? Those are the side handles. So I actually thought it would be one piece, but it looks like there are two pieces that we need to connect, or two pieces that we need to install. So let's go. So this is the manual. There's the installation sheet. There's two pieces. So there's two pieces that we need to install, this one and this one. So the handle will be the connector. The two handles that we have will be the connector. And those brackets here would connect into the crossbar that we installed. So let's go try to assemble it. So we're going to be using the two connectors here, and this here, then there. So these are the nuts and bolts. We have 35s. We have 25s or 25s, we have 19, we have 12, then we have the washers here, we have the nuts, and we have the bolts for the mounting bracket here. So let's try to connect the two baskets first. So, one side is done. Look at that. So we're gonna put it as well on the other side. Is there. So we're gonna do as well on the other side. Let's go. Fast forward. Yo, so we have now completed assembling the roof basket. Now we're gonna install it to the roof rack. Let's go.